Hi, I'm Jenny Noonan, the creator of Intuitive Motherhood, a Lightyear Coach, a wife, and a mama of 3. Intuitive Motherhood is more than a workshop series. It's a calling. It's an opportunity for moms everywhere to get connected to the internal guidance and wisdom that we innately have. It's about embracing your courage and your boldness to create a life that is important and meaningful to you, rather than doing things just because everybody's done it that way or everyone's doing it that way. Raising Yourself to Mother is the 4th workshop in this series and answers the question, I've got a family, now what? This workshop is not going to tell you what to do or not do. This workshop is going to support you in getting connected to your intuition, in creating the things that are important to you and bringing them forth into the world. Join me on June 18th at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time to dive deeply into some of the most important work you'll ever do.